Hey mom.
No.
I want cafe, 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 I want cafe.
No classic hi, you shut up.
I want cafe, 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 I want cafe.
No mean no.
I want cafe, 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 I want cafe. Let's go mom.
Oh okay. Maybe shut up musty dusty poopy pants, go to room now.
But I really want cafe, and the stupid mom won't get it. Oh I know, aha cafe.
Hi, can you what get for you?
I would like a kid's meal coffee.
Coming right up.
Future.
Classic hi you coffee, I don't know. I'm doing haters, maybe I will happen in soon as possible to my friend is true Ike.
Huh. Wow. Like and subscribe my channel, don't forget a bell. Thanks for watching.